Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize August Smart Lock with August app step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your August Smart Lock is installed properly on your door. Make sure your smartphone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Download the August app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the August app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Smart Lock from the list of options. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone for the setup process. The app will search for nearby August Smart Locks. Once your lock appears on the screen, tap on it to proceed. You may be prompted to ensure that your lock is powered on. If necessary, replace the batteries in your August Smart Lock. Follow any on-screen instructions to prepare the lock for pairing. Tap Next to begin the authorization process. The app will guide you through a few steps to connect your lock. You may need to enter a code found on the back of your lock. Be sure to press the orange button on the lock to initiate pairing. Wait for the app to confirm that your lock is successfully connected. Once connected, the app will display the status of your smart lock. You can now customize your settings within the app. Test the lock using the app to ensure it is functioning properly. Congratulations, you have authorized your August Smart Lock with the August app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.